Have you seen those websites that have like a menu on the top and then while you're scrolling the website, this menu stays stuck? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that in System.io. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rianna. I am helping small business owners get started quickly, get set up quickly with easy systems, and especially with System.io, which has been so helpful for me in the last couple of years. So if you want to not miss out on the next videos, hit subscribe, and now we're going to dive in. All right, and it's pretty simple. So you're gonna go to your System.io account, you go to Sales Funnels, let's take this one, and let's say we do it with this page. I'm gonna go to Edit Page, and now we have this bar here on the top and we wanna make it floating. So make sure that you have it selected as a section. If you don't have that yet, you can add a section to the top. And then this section, that's what we're going to work with. So what you could do is, let's say, so your menu could be here, or it could be any call to action that you would like. If you want to have a menu, we can do that too. I'm going to show you. We add the menu there. Oh, I'm going to remove this one. And this one. And here in the menu, you can just add how many more you want to have, and let's say we want it in the middle. Okay, so we have this bar. Let's give it another background so we can see the difference between what we've done so far. All right, okay, we have this section, and now honestly it's easy peasy, because what you're gonna do, you scroll down once you clicked on that section and you click on, do you want this to always be visible? We're clicking on sticky. We want to have it on the top. An indent is the difference between the top and your section. So I don't want that. I want to keep that at 0. Let's click on save. And I'm going to show you now what that looks like if we're going to go to the preview version of it. Here we have our menu. And now if I'm scrolling, it stays stuck. How cool is that? Awesome, right? And so simple. I love the simplicity of it. If you don't want to miss out on the next video, hit subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love responding to questions of my viewers and make sure that you're all settled. So see you in the next video.